Do you want to master the money game? Look no further. Hi there, and welcome to Money Maximized, where we share personal finance tips to help you achieve financial success in today's world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Today's video is inspired by Tony Robbins' book, Money, Master the Game, where he details the wisdom of the world's best investors to help you navigate the financial jungle. So hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a thrilling journey to financial freedom. The financial world can feel like an uncharted jungle filled with fees, brokers, volatility, taxes, and hubris, all threatening your bank account. But fear not. We're here to equip you with the tools and knowledge to master the game of money. In Money, Master the Game, Tony Robbins interviews legendary investors like Carl Icahn, Paul Tudor Jones, Kyle Bass, and Ray Dalio to uncover their best advice. In this video, we'll break down their key insights to help you achieve financial freedom. 1. The financial journey as a mountain climb. Envision your financial journey as a mountain climb, consisting of two phases: the accumulation phase, where you save and invest to build critical mass, and the decumulation phase, where you withdraw money. There are 5 levels of financial freedom, and to estimate how much you need to reach financial independence, simply multiply your monthly expenses by 12, then by 20. 2. Becoming an investor, not just a consumer. Make the decision to become an investor and accelerate your climb with these 5 tips. Save more by paying yourself first. Earn more by providing exceptional value to others. Reduce fees and taxes with passively managed investments and tax-deferred accounts. Get better returns through diversification and continuous learning. Change your life and lifestyle by considering the cost of living in different locations. 3. The All Seasons Portfolio. Ray Dalio's All Seasons Portfolio protects you from any economic environment and shields you from your own biases. This strategy offers one of the highest probabilities of a smooth climb to the top of the financial freedom mountain. 4. Income as the outcome. As you progress on your journey, remember that income is the outcome. Consider products like annuities to ensure a steady income stream during your retirement years. Annuities provide higher income than most fixed income securities and last until your passing. 5. 3 ways to buy happiness. Finally, let's explore how money can buy happiness when spent wisely. Invest in experiences that create lasting memories. Buy time for yourself, as money can transform how you spend your time. Invest in others, as giving money away creates a sense of abundance and happiness, which can positively impact your overall wealth. In summary, calculate your financial freedom numbers and start climbing towards your goals. Accelerate your ascent by saving, creating value, managing fees and taxes, diversifying and adjusting your lifestyle. The All Seasons Portfolio ensures a smooth climb, and annuities provide a steady income. Remember, money can buy happiness, but it's all about how you spend it. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who can benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more book reviews and tips on your personal finance story. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in to Money Maximized. For more content on personal finance, investing, and achieving financial freedom, check out our playlist featuring the best books in the field. Keep learning, growing, and striving for success. See you in the next video.